you describe something that's this amazing? Hey guys, my name's Scott Mueller, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an apple crumble. Now this dessert normally feeds 6 people, but in my family it sometimes feeds me, and if my parents are lucky, they'll get some too. So right here we have all of our ingredients. This right here is for our filling, and this over here is for our topping. So for our filling, we have 5 Granny Smith apples. They're cut and peeled. We have some flour, we have some cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg, and just a pinch of salt, and some vanilla. And then for our topping, we have some old-fashioned oats, some flour, the brown sugar, and just some regular sugar. That's my little secret right there. We have some more cinnamon. My family really likes cinnamon, so we got plenty of that. Vanilla and butter. Now when it comes to cinnamon or all those fall spices, feel free to add more, take out some if you want. Your kitchen, you do what you want to do. All right, so we're going to start with our filling. So I'm going to add my apples into a bowl along with my flour. This is going to help make sure that we don't get that really runny consistency. We want everything to get nice and thick. And then we have all of our fall spices along with our salt and our vanilla extract. I also really like vanilla extract, so I add that almost into every single thing that I bake in the kitchen. Now I'm going to mix this up really nicely until everything's coated with flour. All right, that looks great. All right, now right here I have a baking tray, and all I've done is put a little bit of non-stick baking spray inside there. You can use any type of flavorless oil that you want, or you can use butter. And what I'm going to do is pour my filling inside. And you can evenly spread this out. And then now, this is all good. I have to work on the filling now. And I'm going to use the same bowl because I don't want to do any more dishes than I have to. All right, so let's go ahead and work on our filling. I'm going to add my oats, both of my types of sugar. We get the brown sugar and the regular sugar. I think that adds a really nice flavor that you don't usually get on the top of an apple crumble. You can also choose to add pecans in this if you want. I don't think that it's necessary, but if you want to, you gotta do what you want to do. And then my flour is going to go in there. And right here, I've cubed my butter into about 1/4 inch slices. And I'm just going to get that all in here. Like so. And now I'm going to add my vanilla extract and some more of my cinnamon. Mix that all up. And then you can also use your whisk so you can get all that butter kind of broken up into smaller pieces to where you have just a bunch of little crumbles. All right, my filling has been really nicely incorporated. Now all I'm gonna do is take this and just sprinkle it on top. Get all that butter on top. You wanna make sure that the butter is really nicely spread out so you get that nice crust on the top while it cooks in the oven. Now I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees. It's going to go in the oven for 45 minutes, and after about 20 minutes, I'm going to rotate it in the oven and cook it for another 25 minutes. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right, my apple crumble just came out of the oven. I've been letting it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so I don't burn myself when I try it. Come look at this really quick. You can see I actually put it under the broiler for an additional 2 minutes to get a nice golden brown on top. But if you look here, you can just see that you got some crunch on there, but you also have a really nice texture. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. It looks so, so good. I got some family coming over tonight, and all they're gonna see is that there's a missing slice. I wonder who ate that one, right? All right. Oh, and if I had some ice cream to go alongside this right now. Oh, all right, I got my fork. Oh, if you could smell this right now. It just, oh, if I had some whipped cream. Make some homemade whipped cream, grand slam, easy money, baby. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. You better make this for your family this weekend. The crust is so good. There's the perfect amount of cinnamon, nutmeg. All those flavors are in there. It is killer. And you get this really good bite of like crunch, but then soft and oh, this is it right here. Make this for your friends and family. If you do make this, please do take a picture, share it with me. Let me know I'd love to see it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for spending time with me today in the kitchen. Until next time, bye-bye.